We'll guide you through how to use the Krita stabilizer to make your digital art smoother and more precise. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Krita on your computer and ensure your canvas is ready for sketching. Now, look at the top menu and click on the Settings option, then choose Configure Krita from the dropdown. In the Configure Krita window, go to the Tools section on the left panel. Here, you'll find an option called General, where you can adjust the stabilization settings. Look for the Stabilizer tab within the General Tools settings. You'll see three main options: Basic, Weighted, and Stabilizer. Choose the Stabilizer option for maximum smoothing effect. You can adjust the length and delay sliders to suit your drawing style. A higher length value will give you more stabilization, which is great for long, sweeping lines, while a lower delay will make your strokes feel more responsive. Once you've set your desired values, click OK to save the settings. Now, switch to the Brush tool and start drawing on your canvas. You should notice that your lines are smoother and more controlled, thanks to the stabilizer effect. If you want to tweak the settings further, you can always go back to the Configure Krita window and make adjustments. This feature is especially helpful for artists who have a shaky hand or want to achieve clean, crisp lines. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.